be a few things we can try, but you need to do exactly as I say. Deal?
Still hiccuping.
Weird. Pushing people on a swing almost always works.
Almost finished your leaf jumping pile. Just one last bit. Yay! Great jump! Aw, it didn't work.
Strange. Let's try something else.
Doing your art project isn't helping either.
Huh. This must be a real bad case. Doing someone else's work for them usually relaxes the Hiccup maximus muscles. I know. Try more glitter. What? I'm helping her. So is it wrong if there's a little something in it for me? Cheep, 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 cheep.
Why make a meal at home when you can eat right from the restaurant's mouth? That was more worm than I wanted. Oh. Hey, baby bird bites. Wait, you're not mad at me for eating your dinner, are you?
Little faster. That's it. Faster. Still. Try the grapes.
Why isn't this working? Oh.
Well, we tried. I'm gonna miss you, Bridge. Hope you make some new friends on Hiccup Island. Oh, I forgot friendship is illegal there, so probably not.
What?
Anyway, it's pickup time, so lates.
Bridgette, your mom is here.
Oh, no!
Maybe don't mention the worm or the soda.
This day was awful! First I ate a worm, got the hiccups, then got a puppy, but the puppy got taken away. And I'm covered in sparkles and macaroni, and then Surprise Christmas got taken away too! I don't want to go to Hiccup Island! I'm not hiccuping anymore! I'm not hiccuping anymore!
You're welcome.
No!